Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a vehicle. Why? Because every car comes with engine mounts, and in today's video we will explain the symptoms of bad engine mount and how a bad engine mount can result into thousands of dollars in repairs guys. So make sure you stay until the end. I'm going to cover very detailed information and how an engine mount can cause more problems guys. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any tools or parts, we share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Number 2 guys, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. So why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. That being said guys, okay, we have an engine mount that's removed, and I want to explain what symptoms you can expect and how an engine mount can completely destroy your car guys, and especially cooling system or electrical system. But before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a vehicle, check this channel out, Electrical Car Repair Live. This is our second channel, and that's where we'll be posting all the videos about engine codes, diagnostic, fixing airbag, engine lights, things like that. So this is an engine mount guys. You may have 2, 3 of those. It really depends on the design of the engine. Most of the times, okay, on an engine that's facing this way, okay, you will have 2, one on the left, one on the right side, and you have a transmission mount on the back. Now if you have an engine that's facing this way in the engine bay, you have an engine mount most likely on the left side, transmission mount here, and 1 or 2 on the bottom, on the front and the back of the engine. So engine mounts, what they do guys, they keep the engine in place so it doesn't move anywhere, right? But another thing that they do, they reduce vibrations and make sure that you have a nice smooth running vehicle. But when they fail guys, how they fail? Some of them, okay, they consist of rubber like this one. The rubber can break on the inside, crack, and that will make the mount to malfunction. Another thing, some of them are filled with fluid guys. They're hydraulic mounts, they have oil, and that fluid actually catches the fine vibrations, so you're not feeling those vibrations in the vehicle. Now when they fail, what you can expect? You can expect vibrations, okay. Your vibrations will increase, and the worse the mount is, the more vibrations. So you will feel the vibrations like the phone of the car vibrating, the dashboard, steering wheel, kind of like you will feel vibrations, and at certain RPMs it will sound worse than it should guys. So at certain RPMs you will be able to feel it even more. Another thing, if you hear like a clunking sound when you give gas or change gears, let's say, all of a sudden you press the accelerator all the way down, okay, you lift your foot off the accelerator and then press it again, you hear like a clunking sound, it could be the engine moving guys because of a broken mount. So that is very dangerous. Why? Due to the fact that when the engine moves, if the mount is not it's broken, okay, the engine will move quite a bit, you can cause damage to belts because everything is so close. Cooling hose, for instance, that upper radiator hose, okay, is mounted to the radiator. If the engine moves too much, you can practically break the radiator guys, pretty easy, and you're out of luck. You can even overheat the car that way, thousands of dollars in engine replacement. You can break electric wires, you can short things out, you can even catch your car on fire, because let's say you break a positive wire somewhere, it touches to the ground or to the engine, metal part, something like that, you're gonna catch your car on fire. So if you have a bad engine mount, fix it as soon as you can. Another thing that I said now, noise, sound, clunking and vibrations. So also guys, you will notice that your engine will be a little bit noisier, okay, it will sound louder because it will be vibrating, so it will not be so smooth running. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.